everyone. Today we are going to take a quick trip into a neighborhood, just like yours, where people come and go, busy with their own lives. But what happens someone needs a little help? Let's find out how a simple act of neighborly care can make a world of difference. Helping Hands, a neighborhood story. Bag is to you. Hi, that looks heavy. Do you need a hand? Oh, thank you. Please. No problem at all. Let me take a couple for you. God bless you, my child. You are so kind. Hi, Miss Rita. You are cleaning a lot of leaves today.
Yes, the wind brought them all down last night.
Do you want some help? I can bring my little broom.
That's so sweet of you. Thank you for your help.
Hey, that looks tricky. Need a hand? Yay! This boat won't stay in the plate. I have got some tools in my shed. I want to grab a drill and some screws. Yay! Thank you. Hey, you don't looking so good. Everything okay? Hey, I am feeling bit under the weather. I ran out of my medicine. I can't go to the pharmacy right now. What medicine did you need? I can pick it for you now. It would be a big help. It's just some cough syrup.